The following message has been transmitted by the request of the New York State Police Department. There has been a killer holding a machete around Long Island. All residents of the 101.1 radio cannot get close to a killer. Call 911 if there is suspicious.
1 hour later.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the New York State Police Department. The killer named Jason Voorhees has entered at Huntington, New York. He is trying to kill all of the people. The killer is wearing black shirt, gold jacket, gold pants, black shoes, and a Jason Voorhees mask. If you see this killer, call 911. Please lock all doors, close windows, turn off air conditioning, and turn off all electronic devices and lights. Please be safe. For further notices, call 911 if you see the killer.
3 hours later.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Administrative of New York and the New York State Police Department. The suspect named Jason Voorhees has been killed for murdering 10 people. The suspect called Jason was gone for now for murder. Now you may proceed to turn on and open all doors, windows and electronic devices, and air conditioning. We are happy that the suspect has been killed in Huntington for murder. Enjoy the rest of your day.